I'm Sarah, and today on Budgetsew, I'm going to show you my thrift haul. Well, it's not exactly my thrift haul. This is a thrift haul that my mom purchased. So she was shopping at the Optimist store in Lucan, Ontario, and they had a bunch of patterns. Now each one of these patterns is 25 cents, so quite a steal, and none of them have been cut out. The first pattern I have here is a new look 6345. It was done in 1995, and I really like this one. My mom purchased this one because this is a dress that she made for me when I was a teenager, and I wore it to a dance, and I actually wore it just like this. I wore the t-shirt underneath with the thin little straps, but it was the shorter version that I wore. So I'm looking forward to making this one up again. I'd probably still wear it with the t-shirt. The next pattern that I have here is a new look 6203, and this one is actually one of the first sewing projects I ever did. I still have the frog closures from the original pattern that I made, the original shirt that I made, but I just need to find the right fabric to make this one up. The next pattern I have is another new look. It's 6670, and I'm not sure of the year. I couldn't see the year on this one. What I like about this one is there's different skirt lengths on it and different sleeve variations, and I love the collar and the button up front. The next pattern I have is a Berta 6527. It's a V-neck dress, very similar to the new look that I just showed you. However, there are additional panels in the skirt of this dress which make it much fuller, and I do like this version just falling below the knees. I also have here a Berta 2981. I think this is really quite nice, the skirt and the shirt. They're fitted dresses and shirts and pants, and they're made for knits. But I think it would be really nice to make up this outfit. And the final pattern I have is a McCalls craft pattern. It's McCalls 6482. It was published in 2011, and my mom bought this for me because I love owls. I really do. And I'm actually thinking about making this one up, maybe for like a throw or a blanket to put over the couch. So I'm can't wait to cut this one out. I think it's really cute, and I'm looking forward to making it up. So this is my thrift haul from the Lucan Optimist Thrift shop in Lucan, Ontario. I was really pleased that my mom got these for me. Remember, each one was $1/4, so you know, if you can, get out there and get as many patterns as you can. Stay tuned to Budgetsew for more videos. Please like and subscribe to Budgetsew to find out what's coming up next. Thanks for watching.